So guys, I bought this illusion lamp, 3D illusion lamp on AliExpress. It's a lamp, let's open it up, that illuminates this panel. It's a controller, as you can see. So I'll show you what's inside. There's a base stand. It's micro USB on this side. There's a button to push it on and off. I think you can even put batteries inside. Yes, you can even put it on with batteries. You also get the charger inside. It's USB-A to micro, sorry. And you get the remote. So you can choose the intensity and you can choose the color, of course. You have fade, strobe, flash and smooth. So I will connect this and we will see how it looks. So you put it just inside here like this, see, up, and that's it. But I'll connect it and I'll be back. So guys, this is how it looks at the end. That's the end result. Now let's try. This is off, put it back on, change the colors, see all the colors of the rainbow. So you can see, you can change that, put it in white. It's also nice, see. Actually it's nice, and that's not expensive. I think it's around $10 on AliExpress. You can make it flash, see? You can make it strobe, but actually I don't see a difference between flash and strobe. And fade. Okay, you see it fading. Oh, that's a nice one. Maybe I should have this one. Okay, fade, that's fade, and let's see smooth. That's even better. I'll leave it at smooth, but that's the light. It's not expensive. It's nice. It's nice to have it on your setup. So guys, that was the 3D lamp from AliExpress. You can find it if you put in 3D lamp, you'll find it immediately, I think. There's also an Xbox One controller. There's also a logo for PlayStation, Xbox. You can choose many different things, but I like the PlayStation controller. That's why I chose that one. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. I hope you subscribe, like the video,